Good afternoon. This video is about flight booking system where we will see how to book a flight in a demo website. Where to create this demo website I have created, the left side will be seen and folder structure. In that folder structure we have created a main folder called a project in which the subfolders are embedded in this project folder. For this project folder, we have created a server where server is a backend folder which is directly connected to the backend, and in server folder we will see this subfolders called config. In config, this is a database MJS where this file directly connects to the MongoDB. As this project works with the MERN stack, have been the database which have been used in this project is in MongoDB. And coming to the midware, we have used auth.js where we have used it in a JSON web token, which is an secret key which is developed by the own systems. And we have embedded the secret key in backend environment, and those from the backend environment I have embedded through the this auth.js. After completing the config and middleware, I have created a models of booking flights, and I have created different files for booking and for seeing the flights and for the users. Let us dive into the booking.js. In booking.js, we have created an random numbers. It is not an real-time work, but I have created a demo website, so I have created a random bytes of 4 in which we will give an random sized key where it represents like this. After booking this, we can see the user ID where it will I have created those user credentials where it actually involves the flight booking system. It includes user ID, flight ID, passenger name and passenger email, passenger phone, etc. Like whatever they needed to book a flight, I have embedded here, like a seat number, seat preferences, meal preferences, booking reference. Okay, this all are the status if we have booked, if it is been confirmed or cancelled, or even the payment is been pending. All this will be seen under the status bar. This is the total amount, how much total amount did we paid, and what are the payment status, whether it is pending. All this I have given in this booking.js. Coming to the flight.mjs, this booking will refer to only the booking, how the booking is done and what are the things need to be added to the booking system. And coming to the flights, we will see what are the flights are there and where to where, and what are the flight ID number and origin, from where to where does the flight go, destination and origin, departure time, time of the um flight departure, arrival time, and what is the price of the seat and available seats. These are all the things which have been taken from the real world time, where what are the things needed to book a flight. I have embedded all those things into this flight.mjs. Coming to the users, in users we have seen what we need, what does the user need to log in into the flight booking system credentials. In those, the first thing the user need is an email, password and username. First he need to log in, he need to register in this website by signing up, and after that logging, and after then he can able to see for the flights and able to book for the flight after continuing the payment. And these are the things have been done in the models folder. Coming to the routers, in routers again I have created an auth.js where in this I have taken in JSON web token, which is an, I have said earlier, this is an secret token which is developed only within the system itself. After this, for the register purpose, I have created an email. The user needed email, password, username, full name and phone number to register in the website. Coming to the existing user, we can just log in up and you can browse the flight system. And after this, we have taken a token. If the token secret token matches, then we will give an ID for that. And status 201 status represents the successful user created. So this is the status where we will see if our registration is completed or not, and coming to the error we will see internal server error or registration failed. Same goes with login page also. We will directly, after completing the registration, we will directly go to the login page and enter our email and the one we have registered with the password. We will enter those things and we will simply log into this website. And coming to the bookings, in bookings we will see what I have been where I have in models have included the things where which follows the real time. For that we are going to do a math on it, where here the booking references, for which we will see a different random floor method where it will generate an example. Here, see, let us see an example here, br123456, which is an example of booking references. Like it will give an random number of the booking id. After this we will get back to those where the browsing files, if we enter this id number we will see the list of flights with this id number, and if we enter the destination of the flights we will see the list of flights where who goes to that particular destination will be all been done in this program. Where constant booking, here booking we need to require an user id which is been registered earlier, and flight id, passenger name. These all the requirements needed to book an flight. If status is confirmed, then it will return a confirmed file, or after not, the status is updated to completed. After this we will go to flight.js. In flight.js, similar to the booking.js, in flight.js it will help us to look after the origin, destination and departure date, and the price sorted by price. We will see the, it will filter according to the price. I have kept those things into this website. Coming to the other one, we have used in switch option, where in case of price is one, sorted options we will be price if departure time is one, in case departure. And these are the things where I kept for the price. If price is one, it will sort according to these user given details. For that I have created a switch option. Coming to the query pagination, here the pagination will give us how much limit does a person needs to booking. Here whenever a person books two flights at a time, it doesn't show that it doesn't show that you are okay with it, and it will show an error where it shows the limit of a person will be one at a time, so one flight at a time. So that I have created this flights option and limit. If not, skip one. And if you wanted to do same if you wanted to book another flight in the same day, we can use an skip option. All those things have been embedded in this file. And coming to the user.js, in user.js, where we will get an auth middleware which has been discussed in the earlier folders, in which if we will see an admin access required. Here if the booking person is not an admin, it will ask for the access. And coming to the users, he have to wait for the find user, and wanted to create a password, and the password will be given to the user, and the user need to log into the website to create all this booking, to book all these flights. These are the things which have been used and implemented in this file. Coming to index.mjs, this is the main thing which it implies to the MongoDB, where if we run this file we can easily connect it to the MongoDB, and the things which have been entered into the website credentials, it will directly save back at the MongoDB. Those are the initial features have been embedded in this code. Let us go through it. Where first one is an express. I have used an express, and after that I have taken imported from the other folders too, so that the user can easily able to access and save those data into the backend. for to save those data into the backend. In the backend code, I have taken these files from the path file. After coming this, have created a local host where it is directly connected to the MongoDB. By with the help of the local host, we can see the website page. If you wanted to do it more openly, or if you wanted to share this website openly, we can also use a cloud platform, which is MongoDB Atlas. I have simply used an MongoDB community for this project. Coming to the package.json, it will initially give this from MongoDB itself. Coming to the components, where components containing an layout, UI is the thing where the first interface of the website will be happen, where for the layout we have created an header and a layout, and for the UI we have created a badge, provisional input, a recursive button will have an links which is directly redirected to the particular page. Coming to the content, there is a content.tsk. It is a text script where we will see a react here, and from the react we will using create content, use content, and all those things we have been importing from our react.js. And from this we are going to write a program code where children code will be also affected. If the local storage is getting loaded, how to switch it to other database. All this code have been written in an auth context. Coming to this APIs TX, here we have we can use an API where it will for if you wanted to add a Google map to the website, we can use an API of a Google map and easily create a token key. After creating a token key of an API, of that particular API, we can easily keep the token in this file to get an map over the website. Here the mock data, where mock data indicates how user need to fill their data. It will be in by default, so they can understand in which field what credential they need to be enter. And coming to the MongoDB, here is an MongoDB client where we are connecting to the backend of my MongoDB URI, and here is an flight booking system. Here I have created a database called a flight booking system, so that whenever we open a MongoDB containing the flight database, in that we will see users, booking, and flight databases, in which we are going to see the users which have been using those. Their credentials will be saved at the backend of the MongoDB. And coming to this is the pages where bookings takes place, where how the booking will be done. If the person wanted to book another flight, the total amount will be doubled. All those things of math calculation is done in this booking.txt. Coming to the dashboard, we will see how much of the flights a person booked and how much he cancelled, how much remaining amount has been paid, how much amount need to be paid, and how much total amount has been paid till now, and what are the flights that have been cancelled with which reasons. All those things will be come under the dashboard. You will clearly see this dashboard in the login after login page. Coming to the flight.txt, it is same as the others, where we will see the location, navigation, and we will find an origin, destination. All those things will be here. After using a filter, we will see the filters option itself, with either it by sorting order, or by the price, or with the destination also we can filter. Coming to the types, I have used index.ts, where it is in text script, in which here having an interface user. We have created an interface user in the text script, in which it indicates the user's credentials. All these things have been particularly used at the back end of the code. Coming to this app.tx is also same indication. Index.css is the css of all over the code. I have used a Tailwind CSS, which is a framework of the CSS which helps to format the CSS with the colors and professional. It gives a professional look to our website. So I have used this particular Tailwind to be professional and user friendly. Coming to the backend of .env, this is the my MongoDB URL where it connects with an cloud of the MongoDB, which will provided in an Atlas MongoDB. Coming to the port, it will run at port 500. If it is not working, then I can easily go with an local host. This is the secret key which I have been telling all those in these files. This is the secret key which I have been created in this panel itself, and these are all the backend things where it will automatically install whenever we created a database. So this is the thing where I have created the file booking system. Now let us see how to operate it. For this we need to go through the path where this path indicates cd.project. I have implemented all this coordinate project, so I have gone to projects folder. After creating a project, now we will see what is the okay. For this we need to run even backend. For that, for the backend I've project, and after project, sorry, I can even run it at the same time, but okay. Now we will see, as I told earlier, the whole connection is at index.mjs. So we need to run index.mjs for connecting with backend. Now, just a minute, here getting an error. Index.mjs. Here we have created an the server is running on the port 500, where it clearly indicates I have given a 5000 port number. Coming to the health check, it is in correct API path and connect to the MongoDB successfully. Data seeding is completed. From here we can easily tell that MongoDB is connected to our front end part. Coming to the front end, we will see the front end. This is the front end where we will see this is a header line, and these are the things which I have created normally. And coming to the login and logout, have login earlier, so it's showing. Here we will try to sign it up, where I'll take an example as John Doy, and for the username we will just use Doy, and for the email ID we will go for john@gmail.com, and the phone number we will simply give something like 92. Yeah. For the password we will create one. Okay, create password. So here for the person having name John Doe has created and registered in this website, and we will see how to book a flight. First of all, we will browse the flights. We will see the flights according to the prices, where the destination source will be present here. We will select one file from here. The total amount have been $895. For those things, meal preferences, vegetarian, window seat preferences. If you want a window, middle, allies, anything is okay. Payment. continue booking. See here we have get an notice board where booking is confirmed. Now let us see view my bookings. After creating, I have created a view my bookings. See the total number before and after is been updated to 1. Before the total bookings were 0, now it is 1, and upcoming trip is 1 confirmed. The total spent was also been seen in the dashboard where $895 have been adjusted. You can also book new flights from this. This is the profile of the person who have booked the flight. So that's how the personal flight booking system is being created. That's what this video is all about. Thank you.